Good morning students, welcome back to algebra class. We are learning probability. We have solved practice set 5.1 and 5.2 in previous videos. Let's solve practice set 5.3. Question. Write the sample space S, number of sample space NS for each of the following experiments. Also write the events A, B, C. In the set form, write NA, NB, NC. My dear students, in the previous video which deals with practice set 5.2, we had learned to write sample space and number of sample points. Now in this practice set, we are moving one step ahead and we are also writing different events and number of points in the events. So let's begin. Question number 1. One die is rolled. You know the die has number from 1 to 6, not from 0 to 6 and not more than 6. So you are having different numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 6. So 1 to 6. So write down. Let S be the sample space. Therefore sample space is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If you count the number of elements, you will get 6 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, which are nothing but the sample points. So number of sample points will be 6. When you talk about the event is a subset of given sample space. So all that things you will find in the sample space. I'll explain you with first example. Event A, even number on the upper face. So you are having numbers from 1 to 6. Out of that, select all the even numbers which you can find on the upper face. So even numbers are divisible by 2. So you will be getting 2, 4 and 6. So please write down here A is equal to 2, 4 and 6 in the set form. And when you count number of elements 1, 2, 3, you get 3. So NA is equal to 3. It's very simple. Actually all the problems of chapter probability are very simple and you can do it. I recommend you to solve all the problems which appear in your question paper. Let's go to second event. Event B, odd numbers on the upper face. Exactly the same way. Here when you say 2, 4, 6 are even numbers. So 1, 3, 5, these are odd numbers. Again NB will be 3. 1, 2 and 3. Count the elements. Number of elements are 3. Event C, prime number on the upper face. 1 is neither a prime number not a composite number. Other prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5. So you will write 2. 2 is the smallest prime number, then 3 and 5. And then when you count 1, 2 and 3, 3. I hope you know what are prime numbers. Question number 2. 2 dice are rolled simultaneously. In question number 1, we talked about one die. Now there are 2 dice. So again the same way, the way I did in practice set 5.2, 1 to 6 for the first die and 1 to 6 for the second die. So then the total number of sample points when 2 dice are rolled simultaneously will be 6 into 6 is equal to 36. How to write? You fix 1 and go to 6. So write 1, then 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1 and 6. So all the different possibilities when your first die has 1 on the upper face. Same way when it has 2. So 2, everywhere it will be 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5 and 2, 6. So write down 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5 and 2, 6. Please write clearly, and you can go very fast also. Same way 3, 1, 3, 2. I'm writing all the possibilities so that I can explain you for the events when it is required. So 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Put bracket and commas. Last one 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, 6. So you can see there are 6 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and 6 columns. So 6 into 6, 36. Now let's consider event A. The sum of digits on the upper faces is a multiple of 6. Now when you get the sum, it will be multiple of 6. That means 6 and then 12, then 18, likewise. But you cannot have more than 12 because maximum digit you can get is 6 for each of the die. So 6 plus 6 is 12. So your sum cannot be more than 12. Now find out the different choice how you can have 6 and 12. So let's check for 6 first. Now here when I go in the first row, 1 and 5 will give you 6 because it is 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is 6. So it will be 1 and 5. If you don't want to look at that, directly you say when it is 1, then other will be 5. When first has 2, then next will have 4. When the first die has 3, the other die will have 3. When it is 4, the next one will have 2. And the last 5 and 1. When you are having 6, you can have 0, but this case is not possible because there is no 0. So for the 6 you are having 1 5, 2 4, 3 3, 4 2, 5 1. First case is over. Now second case, when the sum is 12, there is only one choice, 6 and 6, because for other cases you cannot have, because when you are having 5 you cannot get it. 4, 3, you try any one, it is not possible except 6 and 6. So 6 and 6 is 12. So you got 6, you got 12. Now count the number of sample points: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you have Na as a 6. Let's go for event B. The sum of digit on the upper faces is minimum 10. Again, here it is minimum 10. That means it will be 10, it will be 11 and also 12. So write, that is 10, 11 and 12. Now when it is 10, start the same method. Start with 1. 1 not possible, because 1 plus 6 is the maximum 7, you are not getting. 2 and 6 maximum 8, not getting. 3 and 6 not possible. You can have 4 and 6, then 5 and 5. That means when your first die has number 4, then 6, 5, then 5. When it has 6, then again 4. After that nothing is possible, so 10 over. Now let's go for 11. For 11 you may have two cases: 5 and 6 and 6 and 5. So write 5 and 6 and 6 and 5. That's all. And 12, 6 and 6. That completes. Let's again check it. These are all 10, 11 and 12. Now you count the sample space, number of sample space. You will be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6. Event C. The same digit on the upper faces. Here what you can have, even you take 1, other may also 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 5 and 5, 6 and 6. That's all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 cases where both the numbers are same digit, both the digits are same on both the upper faces of dice. Total 6. NC is equal to 6. Question number 3. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Let's write sample space. So here how we are going to write? First all head H, 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 then two heads H, H and T, last one T, then middle one, then first one. Here all 2, 2 and 2. 3 heads, 2 heads. Now one head. For this let's write one head means 2 tails. So you can say first head, second head and third head. And last one is all tail or no heads. So you can say 3 heads, 2 heads, 1 head, no head, or 3 tail, 2 tail, 1 tail and no tails. You just count, you will get 8, So write 8. Number of sample points 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll consider the conditions of all the events and you will get all the answers in your sample space. Condition for event A: to get at least 2 heads. The term at least or at most, they are very important. Try to understand. When I say at least, so your choice is more than that. And when I say at most, so upper boundary is fixed. Now here it is said at least 2 heads. So you can have 2 heads or more than that. So you can have 2 heads or 3 heads. So look at this. 3 head, 2 heads, 1 head, no head. Now I want at least 2 heads. That means 2 heads or 3 heads. So I'll be writing H, 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 T, H, T, H, T, H, H. Total, how many you are getting? You are getting 4. So the answer will be 4. Let's go to next condition. Condition for event B: to get no head. You don't need any head, means all will be tail. That means you will get all 3 tails. So that is the last case. T, 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 and your number of elements will be 1. Condition for event C: to get head on the second coin. It is very important. You have to find out where we are getting your head on the second coin. You are having 3 coins. Out of 3 coins, your head will be on the second coin. So let's find out from your set. C will be subset. Second is head, so write H, H, H. Again second is H, so H, H, T. Here it is T, so don't write. Here again it is H, so T, H, H. Not possible. Again here it is there. So look at this: 1, 2, again 3, then again 4. I don't think more than that you are having. So stop here only. So NC is equal to 4. Question number 4. 2-digit numbers are formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition of the digits. Write down the sample space. Remember, in 2-digit number, whenever you consider 2-digit number and you write 0 in the units place, then it will do. But when you write on tens place 0, then that number will not be 2-digit number. So in 2-digit number, 0 cannot be at tens place. Tens, remember, not units place. Purposely I have written here units. Cancel it. Tens place. So what are the different possibilities? First, you are taking tens place as a first digit, and then second one will be your unit place. So let's begin. So you cannot start with 0, 1 because 0, 1 will be only 1-digit number, 0, 2, 1-digit number, 0, 3, 1-digit number, 0, 4, 1-digit number. So don't go like that. So 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4 and 0, 5 not possible. Don't take 0 as a first digit at tens place. So now take 1. Now you can do it. 1 with 0, then 1 with other remaining numbers. So 1 with 2, 1 with 3, 1 with 4 and 1 with 5. This is the one set. Second one, 2, 0, 2, 1. You cannot write 2, 2 or 1, 1 because repetitions are not allowed. So directly you will write 2, 3, 2, 4 and 2, 5. Same way 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3 not possible, 3, 4 and 3, 5. Also 4, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4 not possible, 4, 5, 5, 1, 5, 0, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3 and 5, 4. That's all. 5, 5 is not possible. So you can say for each you are having set of 5. First case, second, third, 4 and 5. So 5 5s are 25. So number of sample space will be 25. Let's go to event A. Condition for event A is given. Number formed is even. So find out the even numbers and write down. Start with 10. 10 is possible, 12 is possible, 13 not, 14 possible, 15 not possible, 20 possible, 21, 23 not possible, 24 possible, 25 not possible, 30 possible, 31 is not possible, 32 and 34 possible, 40 is possible, 42 is possible, 41 is not possible, 43 not possible, also 45 not possible, 50, 52 and 54. These are the numbers which are possible. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there are 13 numbers. So NA 13. Let's find the number divisible by 3. Slowly, it will not take time. If you don't know how to go fast, check each numbers whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. 10 not possible. So 12, 15, 21, 24, 30, 42, 45, 51 and 54. These are the numbers from sample space S which are divisible by 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So N will be 9. Proceed further. Condition for event C. Number is greater than 50. Very good. Most of the students make mistake and they include number 50 also. My dear student, number is greater than 50, not equal to 50, so you can't take 50 in your set C, but more than 50. So you will be having all these numbers 52, 51, 52, 53 and 54. So write here 51, 52, 53 and 54. Total 4 elements. So NC is 4. Question number 5. From 3 men and 2 women, environment committee of 2 persons is to be formed. Here we have to find out sample space and number of sample points. Answer begins. First of all, we'll assume the men and women. Suppose there are 3 men M1, M2, M3 and 2 women W1 and W2. So men M1, M2, M3, women W1 and W2. A committee of 2 is to be formed. Let S be the sample space. So how to write now? Here, check the combination. We'll go to M1, then M1 can go to M2 also, M1 can go to M3 also. Then M1 can go to W1 also, M1 can go to W2 also. Same way M2 cannot go to M1 because already when I write M2 M1 that combination is there, M1 M2 or M2 M1. So M2 can go to M3 and then M2 with W1, M2 with W2. Now same way, so when you take M1, go to all remaining 4. When you take M2, go to M3, W1 and W2. When you go to M3, you have W1 and M3 with W2. When you take W1, you can go to W2. When you take W2, any answer is not possible, so you stop. Now count. How many of them are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So number of sample points 10. You have completed the very important step. Now you can find out any event from this sample space and you can solve the problem. Condition for event A, there must be at least one woman. So it's very simple. Now you just check where you are having at least one woman. At least one woman means you can have one woman and two women. So let's start for one woman. So you are having here, write down M1 W1, M1 W2, then M2 W1, M2 W2, then M3 W1, M3 W2. So these are all having one woman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You can have 2 also. So W1 and W2. Look at this. These are for 1 and it is for 2 women. Total 6 plus 1, 7. So NA is 7. Now next, one man, one woman committee is to be formed. Look at the previous question. You are having one woman, that means one woman and one man. Also 2 women where there is no man. So it's a very simple one. You have to find out one man and one woman. So this first one, M1 W1, M1 W2, M2 W1, M2 W2, M3 W1, M3 W2. Total 6. So NB is 6. There is no women in the committee. So all men. So you are having the case M1 M2, M1 M3 and also M2 M3. Total 3. So NC 3. I hope you understood. This is very important question. Question number 6. One coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. Consider the following cases. Let S be the sample space. My dear student, I request you to refer my previous video of practice set 5.2, where I have written the sample space with all explanation how it comes when one coin and one die is thrown simultaneously. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, you can write in bracket also, and then T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6. So you are having number of sample points 6 into 2, that is 12. Let's go for condition for event A to get a head and an odd number. So you can see the first row only here, first line where all heads are there, and find out head with 1, odd number, head with 3 and head with 5. So total 3. So NA is equal to 3. Condition of event B to get a head or tail. You may get head or you may get tail, and even number. So here let's consider head first. So head with 2, with 4 and with 6. So H2, H4, H6. Now tail, same way, T2, T4 and T6. So you are having with head even numbers, with tail even numbers. So 3 plus 3 total 6. So NB is equal to 6. Condition for event C, number on the upper face is greater than 7 and tail on the coin. Now when I look at this, for the number on the upper face, I cannot get any number greater than 7. Since I cannot get any number greater than 7, I am getting an empty set. That means no elements are found. That means it is 0. You can write this way or you can write another notation for empty set. That's all, my dear students. I hope you enjoyed solving the problems of practice set 5.3. I request you to write down all the answers or solutions of the problems of 5.3 in your notebook and practice.